Hey, I'm Jay. Welcome to another edition of ECS Insider. Last time we showed you around our R&D department and took you through a little tour of our shop, showed you some of the cars, and today we're going to get more in depth, starting with our F82 M4. I absolutely love driving this vehicle. It has an S55 3-liter twin-turbo inline-6 with a 6-speed manual transmission. We have done literally about everything we can to this thing, from front to back,
bumper to bumper,
top to bottom and underneath. We've taken it on track, we've taken it on some back roads and had some fun. We've taken it to a lot of car shows. This platform has loads of usable power and is sure to make any drive a great time. To walk into a lot of the stuff we've done to it, I'm gonna leave it to our engineer, Mike Day, who you know from our Built by Mike series, and he's personally developed a lot of the stuff we have on this vehicle. Check it out.
Hey guys, we're gonna go over a bunch of the cool products we designed for the M4. I'm partial to quite a few of them because I designed some of these. For instance, this front lip and splitter. This is a functional adjustable splitter under this carbon fiber lip. So you can get just the lip and then you can get the splitter add-on. This is all the way in. It does come out just about 2 inches more. And it's functional as in, like, I can actually stand on it if I be gentle. It'll hold me up. So functional. I'm not gonna hang out there for that long. Underneath that, it also works with our skid plate. So a big problem with these cars is the oil cooler is mounted horizontally and really low in the front. So it's really easy to just kind of go across either a rock, a stick, chunk of ice, and then rip a hole in your oil cooler, lose all your oil, and then you need an engine. So very cheap assurance for something that's kind of out in harm's way. If you move along to the side, to go along with the lip, we have these little wing accents here. You can get it without, with this little guy, and then there's a bigger guy as well. That carries over to the side skirts, which we designed at the same time. And they have also modular wing dings at the end there, so you can get them without. This is the small one, and then there's a bigger one as well. And then it carries back to the rear diffuser, which is, once again, pretty modular. So we have just the upper, which you can run on its own, or this lower one that bolts to the whole thing, makes the whole back of the car quite a bit more aggressive. As far as carbon fiber styling, we've really nailed quite a few of these things. We have a trunk lip spoiler. Obviously it's not on this car because we have the big wing. This is our universal fit carbon fiber wing. This has our Turner titanium exhaust, dual 2.5-inch valved exhaust, and all the tips are functional all the time. I hate when it's just valve closed and only 1 or 2 tips work. So all of them work all the time. As you can see, we have the car stickered up with a livery. We change this up every couple of years anyway, but this is from our last trip to Road America for their vintage racing weekend, which is an awesome event. You should definitely check it out. BBS wheels, car's lowered on our Öhlins combination Turner suspension. We have a video on that if you want to check that out. We've got our 2-piece rotors on it. We have our adjustable tow arms in the back. We have monoball control arms up front. We have the Turner diff brace, which adds another bushing to the subframe. If you've seen the subframe on these, there's an extra hole for a bushing. So we made a brace to go over there and use that hole with another bushing. It has the ECS poly differential bushings in it. Has the Turner short throw shifter. And I think the rest of the stuff is under the hood. Okay. So under the hood, we're gonna start with, we have the Turner carbon fiber intake. So symmetrical intakes with these carbon covers and this carbon tube that comes across. Looks very nice, carbon tube on this guy as well. This has our aluminum charge pipes going to the Turner by Mishimoto intercooler here, which is a really nice piece. This is the factory brace that came on M cars. And we have the Turner catch can here. This has the camber plates. I think these are old prototype camber plates, yep. That are Turner. This car is on the Öhlins Street Performance kit we developed for Turner. So this is honestly like one of my favorite newer BMWs, not just because we have it, not because I did a bunch of styling stuff, which I do think looks great. It's just like an overall great looking car that drives really nice. You're in tune with the road. It's just a really good experience.
We've done a lot to this vehicle and we hope you enjoyed checking out how we put it together. In our next episode, we're going to cover the Mark 8, GTI, and Golf R. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check back for more enthusiast content.